guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, I'm so excited. What I have for you today is a fall DIY. I've decided to start my fall DIYs. That way you'll have time to make these so that you can put them in your house if you want. You'll have time to get the items that I'm showing you. They won't all be sold out. So let me show you what you'll need if you want to make this really cute Dollar Tree fall DIY that I'm going to call, I think, fall pumpkin decor. Okay, so let me show you what you'll need. You're going to need 2 of these little pumpkin containers that I picked up at the Dollar Tree. Okay, so you'll need 2 of these. Then you're going to need 3 of the clear candlestick holders. All right, so you'll need 3 of those. You're going to need flowers of your choice from the Dollar Tree, and I don't know what color. And you're not going to need this many, but I just picked up a bunch because I love them and I can use them on other things. So I don't know if I'm going to just stick with one color or put several colors. We'll just have to see. Then you're going to need some Rust-Oeum hammered spray paint in copper. And it's as close as I could get to that color on that pumpkins, but I think it's really pretty. And then I may or may not use this garland right here from the Dollar Tree. And you'll need a hot glue gun. And I just use my Klein pliers to cut my stems. They work great. Now I will link everything in the description box below that you'll need for this project. If I can find some Klein pliers online, I'll link that as well if you're interested. And as usual, my top cashback link will be linked. You can shop and make money while you're shopping. It's free to sign up. My glue gun, glue sticks, anything that I think you'll be interested in will be linked in the description box below. So let's get started with this awesome DIY. Okay, the first thing you want to do is spray paint these little candlestick holders with the Rust-Oeum hammered copper spray paint. I love it, okay? So once you do that, I would recommend some E6000 in combination with the hot glue. And some of you told me what I had done wrong. As you know, I don't use E6000 a whole lot, and I had the Fix-All adhesive from the Dollar Tree. But because of my allergies, well, it turns out if you put hot glue and then put the E6000 on top of it or vice versa, it won't hold. So you have to put your E6000 in one area and then your hot glue in another. Okay, so I would recommend that combination for this. I'm not going to do it. I'm just going to use my hot glue because I have so many allergies. So all you need to do is just put some glue right here. But like I said, if you're going to be picking this up or anything, you want to make sure that it's sturdy, so I would use the combination. Okay, then all you have to do is just set this right on there like that. Okay, and then this is so simple. Oh my gosh, but it's going to be so pretty. Then we're just going to see where this meets. So I'm just going to put some glue right around through here. And then you want to set this down straight, or try to get it straight. Clean up your glue as best you can. I'm going to have one side that looks better, and that's the side I'll put out front because I put just a little bit too much glue. Okay? Then, okay, and that's what we're getting so far. Is that not gorgeous? I love that. You could put like a tea light in that right there and let that just glow out if you wanted. Oh, you could put candy down in there. You could do so much with this, okay? It's unbelievable. Just let your mind kind of go, and then you'll see what all you can do. Then with this one, I'm just going to put the hot glue right around through here. Turn it upside down. Put it in the center of my container and raise it up. Aren't these gorgeous? I love them. I really do. Okay, let's put our flowers in, and then we will decide if we want to put this along the stem of the candle holders, okay? Okay, I just took some of this floral foam and cut it, put it down in there, but look what you could do if you had two of these. You could put this right like either like this and feel flowers spilling out, or put it like that and put flowers trailing down. That would be gorgeous. So that's an option. And this is from the Dollar Tree, okay? So I'm thinking that I might just try to do like a bunch of different colors spilling out of this. I think it would be so pretty. So I think that's what I want to do. And we'll see what we think. And you can make this, it doesn't have to be really tall if you don't want to make it that tall. You definitely could make it smaller. It doesn't have to be real tall. And I think I'm going to put one more white one towards the back. Maybe something like that. Just however you like it. That is so pretty. If you would see that out, you would pay so much money for that, okay? So we have that one. Same thing for this one. I think I need to pull that out a little more. I think I like it better, not so down in there so tight, okay? So we're going to do this one the same way. And check your flowers really well when you get them at the Dollar Tree so they're not all squished. I just love all these fall colors. I think they just look so vibrant and cheerful. Cut you shorter. But like I said, you can use any flowers that you want, any height that you want. And I made these just a little shorter, so that you can pull them up. Just keep messing with it till you get it how you like it. Okay, now you can stop right here if you want and just leave them like this. They would be so pretty. You could put fairy lights around them, but I was thinking I might want to wrap this, I don't know though, around. Let's just see. I don't know. Part of me likes it, and part of me says, no, I don't like it. I don't know. You can either put this on it if you want, like that. Part of me likes it. Part of me is like, no. So I think I'm going to skip it. Okay, I decided to leave mine plain. I think they look so pretty this way. You could add that garland if you wanted, but I really believe that this is, I know this is how I want it. But if you would see this out, you'd pay so much money for this. This is just so pretty. And here is this one. It is just so pretty. But I think they will make a wonderful addition to my fall decor. So what I'm going to do is take them into my utility room, since I'm not decorating my house for fall just yet, and let you see what they would look like setting in there. But I really think, like I said, you could use all the same color flowers. You could use different kinds of flowers. This is just so versatile. But I really do love how these turned out. They are very sweet and unusual. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out on YouTube. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you'd hit that subscribe button and become a member of our family. And if you subscribe, hit that notification bell and set it to all so you won't miss an upload. So let's go in my utility room, which we're still working on, by the way. That's why I haven't put the video up, and the porch is not completely finished. It has rained so much. Between that and my bladder problems and my husband's working so much, we hope to get at least the utility room fixed this weekend. So let's go in there and take a look and see what it would look like just sitting out in the utility room. Just pretend that I'm decorating for fall, even though I'm not. Okay, here they are sitting in here in my utility room. I'm not finished, like I said, working on the decor in here, the shelves or anything. But look how pretty they look. They would be beautiful accents to your home decor. It's such an easy little DIY from the Dollar Tree for fall. But you would never know, I don't think, that came from the Dollar Tree. It is just so simple and inexpensive to make. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you on Monday for a Cricut DIY that will have something to do with the Dollar Tree. And then Tuesday will be another Dollar Tree fall DIY. Like I said, I'm so excited for this series of fall. So until next time, bye guys.